In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a floating action button to your GoDaddy website. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to update. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy website builder. When the editor opens, look for the Settings area. Inside that menu, check for a floating action button option, a contact button option, or anything similar. The exact name can vary depending on the version of the builder you are using, so take a moment to review the available website features carefully. If you see the floating action button feature, enable it to begin setting it up. Once it is turned on, choose the action you want the button to perform. For example, you may be able to set it to open a contact page, start a call, or direct visitors to another part of your site. Pick the option that best fits the action you want visitors to take. Next, enter the details needed for that action. This could include a destination link or another required field, depending on the option you selected. Make sure the information is accurate so the button works properly when someone clicks it. After that, customize the button if the builder gives you that option. You may be able to change the label, icon, or other display settings. Choose a style that matches your website and clearly tells visitors what the button does. Keeping the label simple and direct usually works best. Once you finish the setup, save your floating action button settings. Then use the preview feature to test everything before publishing. Check that the button appears in the correct place and that it performs the correct action when selected. If something does not look right, go back into the settings and make any needed adjustments. When you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the floating action button live on your website. After publishing, it is a good idea to open the live site and test the button one more time to confirm it is working as expected for visitors. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.